Badlands National Park. What's good about the Badlands? Tall grass waves in the wind, bison snort in the distance. A prairie dog squeaks and disappeared into its hole. Then the grass ends. The rocky peaks points to the sky. The land is dry and brown, but sometimes the sun shines just right. When it does, the rocks show surprising colors. Badlands National Park is both strange and amazing. The park. Badlands National Park (BNP) is in South Dakota. The park helps protect wild animals and wild plants and animals. About 1 million people visit BNP each year. Native American groups have lived there for a long time. They believe the land was special. Land of the Lakota. The Lakota people have lived near Badlands National Park for more than 200 years. They call it Makosika. Makosika. It means land that is bad. Scientists also use the word badlands to describe land where soft rocks have been worn away by the weather. Rocks and grass. Scientists study rocks to learn more about Earth's history. BNP makes the job easier because its rocks show how the land formed. Each layer tells a story. The layer contains fossils. Fossils are plants and animals that have become rock. They show that BNP has gone through big changes. For example, the area was once a jungle. It was also underwater for billions of years. Fossil finds. Many amazing fossils have been found in Badlands National Park. They include parts of a giant mammal and 3 toed horses. In 2010, this 7-year-old girl discovered a fossil of saber-toothed cat.
Vậy nói đùa thôi, chưa cho ra đâu.
Layers of Badlands National Park. The Sharp Formation includes the highest peak in the park and was made by ash from volcanoes 25 to 30 million years ago. The Brule Formation marks a time when the land was covered with grass and trees 30 to 34 million years ago. The Chadron Formation was created when rivers left behind salt or very small bits of rock. Alligator fossils have been found in this layer 34 to 37 million years ago. Yellow mound is soil. Made mostly from fossils. It formed as the Great Sea disappeared 69 to 75 million years ago. Pure shale was once black mud at the bottom of the same sea. It turned into a kind of rock called shale. Fossils of sea creatures tell the history of this layer 69 to 75 million years ago. BNP is not all rocky. Some areas are prairie or open land covered with wild grass. Few trees grow there. Prairie once covered much of the United States, but most of it was turned into farm fields. Today, BNP protects an area of mixed grass prairie. Beasts of the Badlands. Many animals make their homes in the park. They must be able to live in tough weather. Winters are very cold and windy. Summers are hot and dry. Big storms are possible all year. Bighorn sheep jumped between large rocks. Signs tell visitors to beware rattlesnakes. Their bites can be dangerous. They use the rattles on their tails to warn away what scares them. Most wild animals live in the park grassy areas. Big brown bison feed there. Prairie dogs dig tunnels. Park ranger asks visitors to stay at least 100 yards, 91 meters from wild animals, a safe distance to help protect them both. Many kinds of birds are seen in the park too. Hawks hunt from above. Blue birds dart after insects. Owls make their homes underground. Planning a visit. A visit to Badlands National Park is a great reason for a road trip. Visitors should bring strong shoes for hiking. They must also carry enough water. Many visitors enjoy BMP from inside their cars. A winding road crosses the park. It has many places to stop and take pictures. Sunrises and sunsets are the best times to take great photos. Badlands National Park is like a journey back in time. It is easy to imagine people riding on horseback through the tall grass. Rocks tell about the history of land. Wild animals roam free. The Badlands are as beautiful as they are bad.